In this episode, I'm going to be walking us through the entire Gemini platform, and my hope is that by the end of this, you're going to be able to fully navigate through Gemini and make any kinds of buy or sell or even deposits and withdrawals as you see fit. Now, when it comes to Gemini, they are a very popular exchange inside of the US, and they're very easy to navigate and make different cryptocurrency trades through. So if you are new to cryptocurrency, this is going to be pretty easy and pretty friendly for you, as opposed to some of the other platforms that are out there. Now, as soon as you load in, this is the screen that you're going to see on Gemini. It's going to give you the option to immediately start trading, but you can also see that it just gives you some general news and information about what's happening in the markets if you do want to look at that. Now, it also may prompt you to complete your account, meaning you might need to confirm your email, even upload your ID to verify your identity to unlock the full aspects of Gemini, or even just add a funding source like a bank account or a credit card or something like that so that you can fund your cryptocurrency purchases. But if all of this is good and your account is fully set up, all you need to do is click on Start Trading, and you're going to see that it moves us from the home icon to the market icon. And from here, we're able to actually buy the different cryptocurrencies that we would like to. They have quite a few on here. So if you want to actually just search by a specific cryptocurrency that you want, let's just say it's Gala, all I have to do is type in Gala. Or if it's Ethereum, all I have to do is type in Ethereum, or rather the ticker for it. And if you want to categorize this and view the different abbreviations or see what's happening in the market from different categories, that's what all of these are as well. You can create a watch list, which we'll show you how to do here in just a second, but you can also view like what's the top movers, what's being top traded, what are the different metaverse and DeFi cryptocurrencies that Gemini has available for me, and that's how you're able to see all of these options as well. But let's keep this simple and say, I just want to actually buy some Ethereum here. All you have to do is click on Ethereum, and it's going to bring you right to the Ethereum option page where it gives you a little bit of information about Ethereum, what's happening in the price. It's also going to let you add this to your watch list and set up notifications from this little bell over here. So if you want to add this to your watch list, just click on that little star. And if you want to set up different notifications and alerts, all you have to do is click on that little bell. Now, when we're placing the actual buy order for Ethereum, though, we can see that we can buy and or sell from this option, but we're just going to go to buy. From here, you can make it a reoccurring buy if you want to. If you just want to buy this one time and not every day or every week or every month or anything like that, all you have to do is say, hey, this is just going to be a one-time buy, and I would actually like to purchase $1,001 here. Now from here, it's going to ask you to transfer this to a earn account. And what this means is that you can actually earn interest on your cryptocurrency by moving this to an interest account where that cryptocurrency may or may not be locked. This varies vastly from exchange to exchange. But what this allows you to do is earn an average per year on that cryptocurrency. In this case, it is 1.26% on your Bitcoin every year, in addition to any of the other gains that you got. So you're just earning interest, or I guess some people could call it a dividend, even though this isn't a stock. But you're earning interest on your cryptocurrency, and you have the ability to transfer it there. Now, after this, all we have to do is click continue, and I'm going to be buying $1,001 worth of Bitcoin with the US dollars that I have loaded into my account from here. Now, when we go to earn, this is where you're going to be able to earn interest on your cryptocurrency. Again, this is what we just looked at over here, but what you're actually able to do is see all the different annual yields that you will get depending on the cryptocurrencies in chronological order from highest earning level to lowest earning level. So when it starts out with things like 1inch and Curve and Filecoin, you're getting 7 to 8%. And as you go down this list, you are getting less and less for your cryptos. Also, you can check out your portfolio and see actually what's happening over in here. How much cryptocurrency do I own? Where is that allocated to? What is my overall portfolio valued at? And how has it performed in the last day or week or month as I'm clicking through these different options, or even year? And so you're able to see all of your different performances throughout your trading periods. You can also view your different reoccurring buys if you have placed any, your different price alerts if you have placed any kind of price alerts to notify you if a specific cryptocurrency has hit a specific price. And you can even go to your transaction history from here, where you're going to be able to fully navigate through all the different trades that you have made and manage everything from a single solitary location. Now beyond this, we can also go to just USD or even the transfer options where we can deposit funds into Gemini or even withdraw funds. Now, more often than not, if you're just getting started, you're going to want to use the deposit, right? Because you need cryptocurrency into your account. Now you have to confirm your account in order to get this option unlocked. But when you're setting this up and you want to do the different kinds of deposits and withdrawals and get your deposit address and send cryptocurrency to that withdrawal address, this is where you're going to be able to also do that from. Finally, you can see your notifications in the top right over here, and you can even go into your account and view any kind of necessary settings as you see fit. You can go through your different balances and support center if you should ever need that. And finally, you can view just your general account information through the settings option at the very top right. But when it comes to this, if you need to, maybe you're overseas, you can also switch this from a US dollar to your native country's cryptocurrency. That could be the Aussie dollar, the Canadian dollar, or the euro, or the pound, or whatever it may be. You can do that from the top right as well. But that is the gist of it for Gemini. Again, a very simple exchange. They made this very interface friendly for just about anyone, no matter how new you are to the space, which does tend to be pretty nice at the end of the day.